Hello, welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now this is part 2 of my Hayter hook. 40, I think it's a 41, Hayter hook 41 I would say. As you saw on the last video, I had to sort out all the carburetor just to get the engine running. So on this one I'm going to be giving it the complete full service on it, and I'm also going to be taking the recoil cover off, and this is already off, but I'm going to be giving that a respray as well, and also be spraying the top handle as well, so, and possibly the bottoms around here, give it a good old clean and a good polish, and then we'll see if we can move it on. Right, so what first we'll do, is that the 8mm? No. Let's make sure we've got the right sockets first. So we'll take the air filter back off. Stick those in the underneath the desk here. Just keep it nice and clean. I'll take this off as well again. That's just so I can get. It's easier for me to get under there, and I've got to get to the fuel pipe as well. That wasn't. Put those down there, and they go into the tray there. And that's it. So now I can get to this. So now I can actually clamp this off again, clamp the fuel off, and then take this fuel pipe off. It would have to be handy to have my tools ready, wouldn't it? And now that should come off nice and easy. A bit of tissue under there just to catch the fuel. What's left in it, that's it. Shouldn't be that much in it. There we go, done. Right, first of all I need to take this off so I can get to the recoil. So we take the, undo that just a little bit so I can get the cable off of there, and then undo this one here, which will loosen this. Just a bit more. That's it, and then do that back up. Make it easier to work with. So the first thing we're going to do is going to take the fuel tank off and the top of the recoil cover plastic, but there is one little bolt there which we have to take off. So I'm not actually going to take this bolt off completely. I'm just going to undo it a bit, and hopefully I could just sit that back rather than take the whole thing off. So to take these off, you just push them out and that comes off of there. And then on top here you have 3 8mm bolts. Take those out so you don't lose them. I've lost some before and I've never even found them, believe it or not. Right, so now that should, oh, that came off anyway. I tried not to do that, but it's come off, and I'll just stick that on the floor. As you can see, it is quite dirty around the back there, so there is 2 10mm bolts which is at the back. And also, which I did forget, I will take this off of there, which is the oil. I'll take that out, and then I will put that back in once I've got that off. The 2 10mm bolts at the front, It would help to have the right socket on again. That was on pretty tight. And that comes off. Well, this is the bit I'm going to be giving a good old spray. So to take this little plastic cover off here, it's simple enough. It's just a little push clip, pushes out and comes out, and I'll put that under there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be sanding all this down and giving it a spray up, and also that. Alright, so let's take this blade off. It is a bit rusty. Yeah, so give this a sharpen and a good clean up, and the underneath. Oh, that come off nice and easy. Very powerful, these the warts. So, oh, it's not all that good, is it? Oh, I haven't got one. Yeah, I'll give that a sharpen and give this a clean up inside here, and we'll get back. Alright, so there we are. That's come up a lot better than what it was, even on the other side. And it's balanced nicely. It is. I didn't think it was an original Hayter blade, but it has got Hayter on it, and with the part number, I'll have to give that a good clean up. So I'll stick this back on. No, I won't. I'll give that a clean out first. I forgot to do that. And put it back on, and then we'll do the top. Right, okay, I said I was going to spray these recoil cover, and I don't think they've come out really too bad. I have used proper car paint on this, satin paint, and that's the carburetor cover and recoil airflow cover. I think they come up a bit nice. I didn't really have to do this bit because I noticed, I forgot actually this is all covered by the fuel tank. So, but anyway, it does look good, and it has come up really nice. Now to clean these little wheels up, you could just spray the some WD-40 on it. But I'll just use this little scourer just to get the dirt that's on it off as well, and it makes it look nice. Just give it a good clean. So when you're taking pictures, it makes it look nice. Get some tissue now, clean tissue. Just get rid of that dirt off. Yeah, look at that dirt on there. And that makes that a huge difference, especially for when you want to try and sell it. That's it. And the same as when you're just spray the body, and then the WD-40. Not only does it clean it, it gives it a lovely shine as well. Well, there you have it. I think that has come up quite a treat. That is, I would say, 100 times better than what it was looking wise and running wise. and I don't think that'd take very long for this one to be here, so hopefully. So there you have it on this one, the Hayter Hawk 41. Part 2 is now completed, fully serviced and in great condition. I think that one come out really well. So it's going to be now on to the next project. On my next one I shall be doing a mail call. I have got a few more stickers in coming from, well, I'll tell you where they come from on the video. I ain't going to give it away too much, but there is some. So all there is from this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell down the bottom there, and then you'll be told when I'm doing the next one. So until next time, cheerio.